everyone, it's Thara from Idea Ashram. As the Paris Olympics blaze on, there's a huge rise in excitement for sports and fitness. With everyone tuning in and getting inspired, the demand for accessible sports facilities is skyrocketing. In today's video, I'm thrilled to introduce you to our community outdoor game app prototype, PlayBuddy. I'll show you how we can develop a custom app like this for you, tailored to your specific needs and preferences. But first, let's talk numbers. Did you know the sports app market is set to explode to USD 8.03 billion by 2030? This exploding market presents a golden opportunity for innovative solutions like the one we've built. But you might be thinking, what are the benefits and why should you invest in a sports app? Let me break it down for you. First off, sports fans are everywhere. Building a sports app is like having a direct line to a huge crowd of potential customers. Think about getting your brand in front of thousands, even millions of sports enthusiasts. That's what a sports app can do for you. Plus, you can keep them coming back for more with features and community forums. Another big deal is data. With a sports app, you can learn exactly what your customers want. It's like having a crystal ball in their preferences. This helps you tailor your product and marketing right on target. And let's talk money. Sports app can make serious cash. You can charge for premium features, sell ads, or even partner with other businesses. These are some of the most common ways. Platform fees. When you book a quote or join a community, the app takes a small fee. This helps keeps the app running smoothly and adds new features. Premium features. For those who want extra perks, the app offers premium features like priority bookings or exclusive community access for a small fee. Advertising. You might see some ads in the app. This helps cover the cost of running the app. Data insights. The app collects information about what you like and do. But don't worry, it's all anonymous. This helps the app understand users better and offer a better experience. Basically, a sports app can boost your brand, connect with your audience, and make you money. It's a winning game plan. Check out our video, How to Build a Sports Streaming App like Dofu Sports, for a detailed look at the process. The link is in the description. So let's not waste any more time and dive into the app walkthrough. Welcome to our app. To get started, you can sign up using your email address and create a password. Just fill in your full name and done. Or if you prefer, you can quickly sign up using your existing Google, Apple, or Facebook account. It's totally up to you. Oh, and if you already have an account with us, just tap login at the bottom. This is the login screen. You can enter your email address and password here for a quick login with your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. We have also included a forget password option in case you need to reset your password. First, we'll send a verification code to your email. Enter that code here and create a new password. Make sure to re-enter the new password to confirm. Once you're done, tap change password. We use advanced security measure to protect your information, so you can rest assured that your data is safe with us. In the next step, you'll fill in your personal information to complete your profile. Then you can start by adding your full name, gender, and date of birth. Then pinpoint your location with your country, region, and city. You can also add a profile picture to make your profile more personal. This is your home screen or dashboard. Here, you can quickly find sports facilities near you. You can start by searching for a specific place or sport using the search bar at the top. Or if you're feeling spontaneous, you can select the type of sport you want to play, the date you'd like to play. If you want to play with friends or community members, you can check out the My Community and Team section. We have also included a list of nearby venues with photos and ratings to help you choose the perfect place to play. We use advanced GPS technology and real-time data to ensure you always find the best sports facilities and communities around you. When you tap on the search tab, you can quickly and easily find sports facilities you're looking for. Simply tap the search bar and start typing the name of the sports facility or location. The app will suggest relevant results as you type, making it easy to find what you're looking for. If you change your mind or want to start a new search, simply tap the cancel button to clear the search field. We use advanced search algorithms and natural language processing to provide you with accurate and relevant search results, making your search experience efficient and enjoyable. When you click on Community, you can choose the sports you are interested in joining. Select your preferred sport from the available options. Once you have selected a sport, you will see a list of available communities within that sport, categorized by the skill level and coaching options. Each community listing provides essential information, including skill level, coaching availability, and team meeting times. If you are interested in joining a community, simply tap the Join the Team button to proceed with the registration process. We use advanced filtering and sorting algorithms to help you easily find the perfect community based on your preferences and skill level, making it convenient to connect with like-minded players. When you click on a specific community, you can find all the information about the community and its member. The page clearly displays the community name and its skill level. You can also see a list of all the members in this community along with their profiles and relevant information. Each member profile includes their name, skill level, karma points, and affiliations. You can choose to follow the other members to stay updated on their activities or view their profiles for more details. We use advanced user interface design in social networking features to create a visually appealing and interactive community experience, making it easy to connect with other sports enthusiasts. To confirm your booking and become a full-fledged member of a team, simply tap Join the Team button. After clicking on Book Now, you will be directed to the payment screen to complete the process. Once your payment is confirmed, you will gain full access to the community and can start connecting with fellow sports enthusiasts. When you click on the Notifications tab, you will see a list of recent notifications. These notifications can include updates about your bookings such as confirmations, cancellations, or changes. You will also see promotional offers or other important announcements. Each notification displays the time it was sent, allowing you to track the recent updates. Back on the home page, when you click on Venue, it will take you the detailed venue page. This is where you will find all the information you need to decide if this is the perfect place for your next game. Here you can check the location, price, timings, and facilities offered by the venue. If you are ready to book, simply tap on the Proceed button. We use advanced mapping and filtering technology to help you find the perfect venue based on your preferences and availabilities. This screen shows you the available time slots for the court you selected. You can choose a time slot by tapping on it. The selected time slot will be highlighted. Once you've chosen your time slot, tap the Book Now button at the bottom of the screen. Now you can view the booking details including the court name, date, and the total price. Everything looks good, simply tap the Proceed button to confirm your reservation. We use real-time booking systems to ensure you get the court you want. You can also view the availability for different courts and dates to plan your game in advance. After that, you will be taken to the payment options. You can choose the card you'd like to use for your booking. If you don't see your preferred card, you can easily add a new one by tapping on Add New Card button. Here, you can securely enter your card information to complete your booking. Once you've filled all the required information, tap the Add button to save your card details. Once you've selected your payment method, simply tap the Pay Now button to complete your booking. We use advanced security protocols and tokenization technology to protect your payment information, ensuring transactions are safe and secure. This screen confirms that your payment has been processed successfully. An email confirmation with the payment details will be sent to your registered email address for your reference. You can now go to the home screen by tapping on Go to Home button. Now, let's click on Bookings. This is where you can easily manage all your upcoming and past court reservations. In the upcoming booking section, you can see all your upcoming court bookings on a clear and organized list. Each booking displays the court name, address, and date, making it easier to stay on top of your schedule. You can click on History and access a record of your past court bookings for your reference. This is helpful for tracking your court usage and finding your favorite courts. We use advanced calendar integration and data organization technology to provide you with a clear and user-friendly overview of your bookings, allowing you to manage your court reservations effectively. You can also easily reschedule or cancel your reservation. If you need to change the date or time of your booking, tap the Reschedule button. You will be redirected to a screen where you can select a new date and time for your court reservation. If you need to cancel your booking entirely, tap the Cancel Booking button. You will be prompted to confirm your cancellation decision. Click on Yes Cancel and your booking is cancelled. You can also chat with your connections and have engaging conversations. Users can also capture and share photos or videos directly from the messaging screen for a more dynamic and engaging conversation. We use advanced messaging and multimedia integration technology to provide a seamless and interactive communication experience, allowing you to connect with others effortlessly and share various types of content. Now let's go to the Profile section. This is where you can manage your account information, view your booking history, and access various app features. At the top of the page, you will see your profile picture. Tap on it to change or update your photo. Below your profile picture, you will find your name and email address. Tap on the Edit button to update your information if needed. Next, you will see your loyalty points balance. Keep an eye on your progress and enjoy the rewards as you accumulate points. For a quick and easy transaction, manage your payment methods here. Add, edit, or remove cards as needed. You can also invite your friends from the Invite Friends section. If you need help or want to share your thoughts, visit the Help section for support or read the app to provide feedback. When you're finished, you can log out of your account by tapping the Logout button. We have designed this profile page with a focus on user experience and data privacy. We use advanced user interface and data management technologies to ensure a seamless and secure experience for all users. And there you have it, a quick tour of our PlayBuddy app. As you can see, we have packed it with features that cater to both users and facility owners. From easy booking and convenient management to robust search and community building, this app has it all. Imagine the potential of a similar app tailored to your specific needs. If you are interested in creating a similar app for your business, feel free to contact us. Our team of experts is ready to assist you in developing a customized solution tailored to your specific needs. Thank you for watching.